today we're gonna play Grow a Garden. We're not gonna play Dress and Press, we're gonna play Grow a Garden. So today we're gonna do something. We're gonna collect or get seed packs, sprout seed packs, and see how many mythicals we get. And if we get a divine, that would be OP. But as you know that the shop restocks in 23 minutes. Who will wait that long? So I'm just gonna simply restock the shop. So it costs like 50k at first, then 500k at first, then it grows, and it even goes to quadrillions. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna climb up, and I am really bad at parkour. Please ignore that I kept falling while talking. So guys, I will also play 99 Nights in Forest. So I will upload the video right now or tomorrow. And also guys, I upgraded, like I made my avatar like this. It's a no Robux fit. You will see it at my legs and say, what the hell? This cost Robux. Nuh-uh. What you have to do is go to avatar, go to head and body, go to left leg or right leg. Then you have to unselect the leg you have and get the default leg. And this is these are the default legs. They look cute, right? And also that's my garden right there. And there's a person saying, can I have some money please? So when we get the seeds, we're also gonna grow them. So I bought 7 or 4, I don't know how much Grandmaster sprinklers I bought, and I also bought Master Sprinkler, 1 Master Sprinkler, and 2 Golly sprinklers and 1 basic sprinkler. I couldn't get that 1 sprinklers because I just forgot it, so I just got Grandmaster sprinklers. I got 7 Grandmaster sprinklers, and yeah. I paid Robux. Lol, I paid Robux. Okay, now there we are at the shop, and I don't know how I become friends. I don't know what this update is. So let's just go to the freaking shop. What are you selling? And there we go. There's the shop. So I don't know how I unlock it, but let's just restock it again. Let's restock it again. As you can see, as I'm restocking it, you can see how much money, shekels, it costs. So I have been playing this game. I'm sorry I couldn't upload videos of these games too. But if you want more videos of Grow a Garden and 99 Forts, please do comment down below. So I'm getting the seed packs, and it takes a long time. And also, how many of you got the animals from the element abuse? And also, Chandel Grow a Garden Gag won the award from Steal a Brain Rot. That's so epic, right? And we were part of the abuse, so we got a We got a lemon lion and also a peach wasp. That, if you don't know what a lemon lion does, it mutates the fruits, and also when it roars, it gains XP of pets. And what is this? And the peach wasp, it also mutates a fruit every 7 minutes. So, and there's a new Skyroot chest. I don't know. I'm gonna just do it later. First, oh my god, it's 15 quadrillion. What am I supposed to do with 15 quadrillion? I don't have shekels. I have 308 shekels. 308 quadrillion shekels. Okay, now let's see how many seed packs we have. Let's load our other plot because it's empty. As you can see, it's empty. I have got these seeds from these seed packs, and I also got the oh my god, what is this? It's so cool, I like it. And guys, I put Grandmaster Sprinkles on the mango seed. I don't know what it's called. I put Grandmaster Sprinkles on it, so that's why it growed this much. So guys, I got 35 sprout seed packs. So, guys, tell me, is my avatar cute or not? If you want a tutorial on this video, do comment. Okay, let's go to the seed shop because there could be a chance of restocking the rare fruits, or even the prismatic fruits, or even the divine ones. So let's open our first. Oh my god, there was a green root right there. Dust puff. Keep getting dust puffs. Oh my god, there was a freaking green root right there. Let's open more. Skip. Mangosteen. Are you serious? I have like 4. You know, guys, I have like 40 of these flare daisies. I got a Positian plant! Yay! I got a mythical. Oh my god, I got a glimmer. Yay! Yes, I got a glimmer. Oh my god, again a dusk puff. Let's see what we get now. Oh my god, I got a mythical. Yay, yay, yay. I don't really know, but right there's Princess Thorn. I'm gonna scream out loud. Louder than my lungs give me permission. Okay, skip Dusk Puff. Are you serious, Dusk Puff? It's rare, okay. I mean, it's okay, but why am I keep getting that? Just forget the fact that my pretzel cart is in the sky. Or in the sky. Just forget that. Just leave it. I think I have like 100 of these freaking flare daisies. But it's okay. We're gonna see how big the flare daisies get. Oh my god, the Glimroot and Positian plant was right there. Okay. Exotic sea sprout seed packs. I don't know. I know that it's a 1% of getting the rainbow seed pack, but also it's a 0.5% of getting the Princess Thorn. I mean, yeah, that's impossible. You can't get it. But we will try. So we're gonna plant all the seeds that we have in our inventory that we got from the admin abuse. I got a lot of seeds from the admin abuse, like the Ramonsko and like the giant pine cone, the burning bud, the sugar apples, and the many more. So we're just gonna simply plant them, and also put Grandmaster sprinklers near them. And also I got like 23 of the beanstalks just because of the admin abuse. In exotic sprout seed pack, 0.5% of getting the princess throne and 1% of getting the rainbow seed pack. And all the other ones that I have, these ones I have them, but I don't have those 0.1 chance one, 5 chance one, and the 1 chance. So let's just. Oh my god, I can. The princess throne was right there. Oh my god, the princess throne was right there. Oh my god. Oh my god, why didn't I stop it there? Why am I keep getting these freaking dust puffs or these flare daisies? So I'm out of these sprout seed packs, but let's just simply plant them now. And there my fox snatched a strawberry seed, probably. Yep, a strawberry seed. I knew it. Now let's plant all of our seeds. As you can see, I have 40 seeds of. I have 40 flare seeds, flare daisies. But I'm gonna plant these all and put Grandmaster sprinklers on them. We're gonna place all the real ones. I'm gonna put the mangosteen. Place them on top. And I'm gonna put the flare daisies. Just ignore the fact that I have 40. And I'm just spamming them on there, on it. And I'm gonna do